Welcome to the GlobalX Summer Program's Canvas Parent Tutorial. In your web browser, go to canvas.midpack.edu. Click on the orange button to sign in if you are a parent. Enter your username and password. You will click Login, which will take you to your dashboard. Ensure that your child's name is selected at the top of the screen. If you have more than one child, they will be listed here as well. After selecting your child, click on the course tile. This will direct you to the course page. Here you will find important information. On the navigation menu on the left-hand side, you can click on different headings such as Syllabus, Announcements, Modules, and Pages. On the left-hand side, you will see a gray bar. You can click on the icons to view your inbox. This is where messages can be sent and received to your child's teacher. If you click on Dashboard, it will take you back to your students' courses. When you are ready to exit, click on Account and log out.